Hello students, in the previous mathematics class we started with chapter decimals. Today we will do addition and subtraction of decimals. For this we have to learn few points. First thing is, first of all we have to convert decimals into like decimals. We have discussed like decimals. Like decimals are the decimals which are having the same number of decimal places. Second point is, decimal point we have to write below decimal point. And in the third point we will write the digits according to their place values, and then we will add or subtract the numbers. Now this we will discuss with the help of examples. Let us take example. Add 4.5 and 12.254. Now first point is we have to change them to like decimals. In the second number there are 3 decimal places and 4.5 has only 1 decimal place. So we will change 4.5 to 3 decimal places, and to change it to 3 decimal places we will have to put 2 zeros in the end. Now the number is having 3 number of decimal places. Now second number 12.254. First thing we have to keep in mind, we have to write decimal below decimal. So it means first of all I will put decimal below decimal, then right part 254 below 500, and then 12 I have to arrange. So 2 will come below 4 and 1 will be written here only. Alright, now we will add these two numbers. You can put 0 here above 1 also. Alright, now we will add the numbers like we do in simple numbers. 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, decimal at its own place, 4 plus 2, 6 and 1. This way we add two numbers. Let us take an example of subtraction also. Here we have to subtract 2.754 from 7.36. Now again, first of all we will change them to like decimals. Here 7.54 3 decimal places and 7.36 2 decimal places. So let us change 7.36 to 3 decimal places, and we know after from we have to write the number first. So we will write 7.36 and we will change it to 3 decimal places, and below this we will write 2.754. Now we will subtract them like simple numbers. Now we know here we will change 0 to 10. So it will become 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now here we are left with 5. So 5 minus 5, 0. Then 13 minus 7, 6. And here 7 will reduce to 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4, and decimal we will write at its own place. Same way we will do the subtraction also. Let us take an example in which we have addition and subtraction both. In this number we have evaluate 12.25 minus 10.457 minus 3.6 plus 6.551. So here we have two numbers with positive sign and two numbers with negative sign. So we will add them accordingly. So first I will write in one bracket both the numbers with positive sign. Here we have 6.551. Then in the second bracket I will write two numbers with the negative sign. Children, here I am writing negative sign in between two brackets. So like signs we have to add them. Alright, now we will add these numbers. 12.25, below this I will write 6.551. I have to be careful. while writing the decimal point should be below decimal point. Now we will change them to like decimals. Now both the numbers are like, so we will add them now. 10, so we will get here 8, decimal at its own place, 6 and 2 8, 1. So we have added these two numbers. Same way we will add these two also. So we get here 10.457. We have to write decimal below decimal, so we will write 3.6 here, and we are changing them to like decimals now. Now we will add them. So we get here 7, 0 is 7, 5, then 10, decimal at its own place, 3, 1 is here now, so 3 and 1 4. So this is the sum of these two numbers. Now we have to subtract these sums. So I will write here 18.801. Below this we will write 14.057. Now we will subtract them like simple numbers. Alright, so here we will make it 11. To make it 11 we have to make it 10. So this will reduce to 7. This will reduce to 9 and becomes 11 here. 11 minus 7 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 0 is 7. Decimal at its own place. 8 minus 4 is 4 and here 0. So you get answer here as 4.744. This way we can do the questions of simplification. Alright, now I will send you the pic of exercise 3.1. You will do the questions of that in your registers. Till then, take care. Thank you.